Let a, b, c be real numbers greater than 1 and n be a positive real number not equal to 1. Log a to the base 2. So log to the base n of log a to the base 2 is 1. It means log a to the base 2 is n power 1 is this number, or a is 2 power n. Log to the base n of log b to the base 2 is 2, or log b to the base 2 is n square, or b is equal to 2 power n square. Remember, this is 2 power n square, not 2 power n the whole square. 2 power n the whole square is 2 power 2n. That's not what this is. Log b to the base 2 is n square. B is 2 power n square, not 2 power n whole square. That will become 2 power 2n. That's not what this is. Right. Log to the base n of log c to the base 2 is 3, or log c to the base 2 is n cube. C is 2 power n cube. Brilliant. So a is 2 power n, b is 2 power n square, c is 2 power n cube. We need to see which of these choices will work. A power n plus b power n equal to c power n, not a chance. A power n is 2 power n whole power n, 2 power n square. B power n is 2 power n square whole power n, 2 power n cube. 2 power n power 4 doesn't work. A power n plus b whole power n is AC. Let's check this out. A power n is 2 power n whole power n plus 2 power n square whole power n is 2 power n into 2 power n cube. Maybe this can work. Let's check this out. This is 2 power n square. 2 power n square plus 2 power n square whole power n is 2 power n cube. This is 2 power n square plus 1 whole power n. 2 power n square plus 2 power n square is 2 times 2 power n square. That is 2 power n square into 2. That is 2 power n square plus 1. This is 2 power n plus n cube. It's 2 power n cube plus n equal to 2 power n cube plus n. Brilliant. This works. I'm going to verify the other two. A plus b equal to c. 2 power n plus 2 power n square equal to 2 power n cube. Not happening. B minus a whole power n is c minus b. This won't work because there's a 2 power n square minus 2 power n whole power n is 2 power n cube minus 2 power n square. This could work. B minus a whole power n. This is 2 power n cube minus 2 power n square. It's 2 power n cube minus 2 power n square. I thought this will not work, but it looks like this also work. Which of the following is true? This is true and this is true. 2 power n square minus 2 power n the whole square, whole power n. Okay, this doesn't work. I've just expanded it like this. Doesn't work like that. X square minus y square whole cube is not x power 6 minus y power 6. So don't make these silly mistakes as if you don't know anything. This is just wrong. 2 power n square minus 2 power n whole power n is not 2 power n cube minus 2 power n square. It doesn't work like that. This side is fine. This side, x square minus y square whole cube is not x power 6 minus y power 6, which is why I walked into that. Fine. So this is wrong. This is right. A, C and D are wrong. B is correct. Absolutely delightful question. To crack the log part, then come to the simplifying part, then look at the choices and go methodically. Beautiful question. Hush.